Alright, boys and girls, we are going to be working on 3-digit addition. So I know that all of you are doing great. We've done our simple 2 plus 2 addition and gotten 4. We've done our 2-digit addition, like 24 plus 13, and gotten our 37. Now we are going to work on our 3-digit addition. So this is something like if we had 124 plus 132. And we can write it across like this with our equal sign. Or we can write it up and down, and we can say 124 plus 132 with our equal sign. So we could write it either way on here. And if you guys remember, we can do up and down adding. So we'll start in our 1 spot, and we have 4 plus 2 is 6, and then we're going to come over to our 10th spot, and we have 2 plus 3 is 5, and then we have 1 plus 1, which is 2. So we have our 256 as our answer. Now this one's a pretty easy one because we didn't have to do any borrowing or carrying or anything. But if we had a problem like 135 plus 146, this one's going to be a little more harder because we're going to have to do some carrying. But if you guys remember when we would do 26 plus 36 equals, we drew out our picture. So we had our 2 10s and our 6 1s, and then we had our 3 10s and our 6 1s. We were able to count up our 1s, so we have our 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have our group of 10, so we could bring it over here, and then that leaves us with our 2 1s. We brought our 10 over. So then we could count up. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and we have our 2 1s. So we have 60 plus 2 equals 62. So we knew that that was our answer, 62. So we can do this same thing with our 3-digit numbers. With our 3-digit numbers, we're going to draw out our 100, 3 10s, because we have 30, and then we're going to draw 5 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we have our 146, so we're going to draw 1 100, our 4 10s, and our 6 1s. And we can do the same thing that we did before. So we have our 5 1s, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we grouped 10 ones here. So we can bring our 10 over here. And then we can count up our 10s. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which we know would be 80. We have 2 100s, so we know that that's 200 plus our 80, and then we have 1 left. So we can go plus 1 equals. Now we can make this be even easier because we can do 80 plus 1. That's so easy, and you guys are so smart that you can do that so fast in your head. So we have 200 plus 81 equals, and we have 281 as our answer. 281. And that's our answer for that one. Now we can try another one. We're gonna do 152 plus 149. So we're gonna try this. We have our 100, then we have our 5 10s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we have our 2 1s. So we're gonna draw our 2 1s. We have 1, 2. Then we have our 149, so we're gonna draw 1 100. We're gonna draw our 4 10s. And then we have 9 1s. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now looking at our picture, we're gonna start with our 1s, and we can see that we have our 9 and 2, which is 11. So we can make a group of 10 again over here. So we're gonna group our 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we're gonna bring our 10 over. Now we're gonna count up our 10s and see how many 10s we have, because we have our 1, 1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, we have 10 10s. So I know you guys remember because you're so smart. We can group our 10 10s because we know when we count our by 10s, we're gonna get to 100. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So we're gonna take all of our 10s and we're gonna bring them over here and we're gonna make another 100. So now we have 1, 2, 300. Remember, we don't have any more 10s because we moved all of our 10s over. And then we have our 1 and our 1s because we grouped these 10 to bring a 10 over here. So we only have 1 left. So we have 300 plus 1. And that gives us 301. This is going to be 301. Now, for my friends that want to practice carrying, we can practice carrying. We have 156 plus 116. And here we're going to practice our carrying. So we have 6 plus 6, we know is 12, so we're going to put our 2 here. We're going to carry our 1. See that? This is 12, so we're going to put the 2 here, and the 1 here because we have to carry our tens spot over to our tens. And then we can add this up. We can go 5 plus 1 is 6, plus 1 is 7. And 1 plus 1 is 2. So 272 is our answer for this one. Now, if you're confused on carrying your 1, remember you can always go back and you can draw your picture to check your work. There's nothing wrong with drawing your picture. And that is going to be the end of our 3-digit addition lesson. Good luck, you guys.